How to fix Facebook dating not showing. If Facebook dating is not showing, it simply means it is not available in your region. Now there are a couple of ways to fix this. The first is we will open up our Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and we will apply for developer beta. So what happens is when we apply for developer beta, we will get all of the latest beta features that has not been released to the public. So tap on join button and make sure to get the latest version of Facebook where you'll get all the latest features. Now, if the Facebook dating is available for other people who are around you but it is not showing up only for yourself, then we can say there's something wrong with the app. Check if the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. And if it's not available in your region, you can just try to use a VPN. So countries like maybe the United States have already gotten this update. So you can go ahead and then connect to the United States VPN and tap the arrow button there and refresh your Facebook app. Now you might be able to find Facebook dating. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.